While we were in Arizona, we would eat a burger. That store was called Bob's, and that's where we got the idea, especially the food there. Well, I copied it almost this. I mean, whatever is inside, the meat and the buns. It made a hit with, especially with students. People could eat in their cars. We have hanging trays. We would hang them in the window, and they could just eat right in the car.
Ang gina-serve sa Bob's, it was really the food of the family. She cooks very well. So, she's the heart of the business, kumbaga. The heart and soul of the business is really Mama.
I give credit to her also. Kasi aside from kay Mami, mga recipe, damo man siya gin-develop nga new, nga daw relevant naman niya bala to the times, nga food nga from her naman.
It's all a combination. Love of cooking, following up your details there during time of service. So, we are duty-bound to be careful with everything we do, every step we take.
Sinday titang niya, hands-on gina sa Bob's. Every day ari na sila, tapos wala na sa gaagi sa front door. Sa kusina na siya, kay ginatanaw ya, kung ang kusina malimpyo.
Ang sanguna kag ang sangsubong, amo man gyapon nga pagpadagan. Way na nagliwat ya, amo man gyapon.
Kada bulan, kapatawag sa meeting sa amon, kag tapos kung anong mga problema, ginakuha namon sa meeting, nga kung anong mayo, kung anong hindi mayo nga himuon.
Mayo gid saya kuwan sa tao mag-treat. Bali daw utod ya lang kami ang pag-treat ni hula yuban. Kung si doktor man gabiso na pakauna nyo maayo ang tao. Kaya nagaubra man sang gusto sa inyo.
Our employees, without them, Pops would not have reached 60 years. They have become part of our family. But I had been also very strict with them and would call their attention.
One time na ubusan sa grising ang cheeseburger. Nagtimpla ko sa cheeseburger, perti kakahang. When nagreklamo ang customer nga kahang ang cheeseburger, patawag kong day titang, wala akong nagpalapit, tadlukan ko. May day titang, kaya gintawag yun naman ko, tudluan kung paano pag-ubra.
We learned in our family to be very strict with the sabor. Because then, if it's just any ordinary thing, what for? I mean, why order, why pay? No? So it has to be really the right thing. They know that I mean well for them.
Masining ko diya, nga ang Bob's ang dugay, tungod sang pagdumala sa mga pamilya. Nga mamasaylo ka, binbisi ibang obrahan, kaya ang tanan-tanan mo nga kinanglano, ari man di, obsilto ka naman.
Our wish is that really, it will not go to waste. I mean, naging patpundar ni Mama, and then kami nag-help, and then hoping that the third generation, if not all, some will be involved para it can continue.
What it basically stands for, nga do ka nagrense, do ka bakulod, do what it was before, I hope it continues up to the future.
A business owned by a family can only succeed when the children or other members of the family to be able to go over problems and to still meld with each other. For me, that is the best. Somehow, you can feel it that you are being supported by our Lord. Because of that, then with more reason, you impart more of your heart, more of your kindness, generosity.
Wala gi kong kibot nga ang Bob's makalabot sang 60 years. Kay tungod nga umpisahan ni doktor kag ni Inday Titang nga ang relasyon sang empleyado kag nila mutual, ginapalangga namon ang amon ubra kay ginapalangga yaman kami.
Nagtiktar ko na gid man na ang Bob's magalawig pa. Ang customer, gabalik man. Di, siyempre, subong kirti ka damo kalanan. Ang Bob's ara man gyapon, way man kadula.
Welcome to Bob's at 60.
Welcome to Bob's at 60.